Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, let's learn the lesson Medu Matu. First, I will be reading the lesson and then I will explain the same to you. Okay. Please, you can refer your textbooks. Let's start reading. ವ್ಯಾಪಾರಿಯೊಬ್ಬ ಸಂತೆಗೆಂದು ಸಾಮಾನುಗಳನ್ನು ಟೆಂಪೋದಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಿಕೊಂಡು ಹೊರಟಿದ್ದನು. ಮಳೆ ಬಂದು ರಸ್ತೆ ಬಲು ಕೆಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗಿತ್ತು. ಮಾರ್ಗ ಮಧ್ಯದ ಕೆಸರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಟೆಂಪೋದ ಒಂದು ಚಕ್ರವು ಹೂತು ಹೋಯಿತು. ವ್ಯಾಪಾರಿ ಟೆಂಪೋದಿಂದ ಕೆಳಗಿಳಿದು ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಇತ್ತ ಬರುವರೇ ಎಂದು ನೋಡಿದನು. ದೂರದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ಬ ಯುವಕ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದ. ವ್ಯಾಪಾರಿ ಗಟ್ಟಿಯಾಗಿ ಲೋ ಬಾರೋ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಎಂದನು. ಯಾರಪ್ಪ ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಈ ಥರ ಕರೆಯೋದು ಎಂದುಕೊಂಡು ಯುವಕ ತಿರುಗಿ ನೋಡಿದ. ವ್ಯಾಪಾರಿ ದರ್ಪದಿಂದ ಏನೋ ಹಾಗೆ ನೋಡ್ತೀಯಾ ಚಕ್ರ ಹೂತು ಹೋಗಿರೋದು ಕಾಣಿಸೋದಿಲ್ವೇ ಬಾ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚಕ್ರ ಎತ್ತು, ನಾನು ಗಾಡಿ ಚಾಲು ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ ಎನ್ನುತ್ತಾ ಟೆಂಪೋ ಹತ್ತಿದನು. ಆತನ ಮಾತಿನ ಧಾಟಿ ಯುವಕನಿಗೆ ಹಿಡಿಸಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಆತ ಸಿಟ್ಟಿನಿಂದ ನೀನೇ ಎತ್ತಿಕೋ, ನಾನೇಕೆ ಎತ್ತಲಿ ಎನ್ನುತ್ತಾ ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ನಡೆದನು. ಆ ದಾರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತಿದ್ದ ರಾಮಪ್ಪ ಮಾಸ್ತರರು ಇವರಿಬ್ಬರ ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನು ಆಲಿಸಿ ವ್ಯಾಪಾರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದರು. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಯಜಮಾನ್ರೇ, ಯಾರೇ ಆಗಲಿ ಗೌರವ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಮಾತನಾಡಿಸಬೇಕು. ಆ ಹುಡುಗನನ್ನು ಮಾತನಾಡಿಸಿದ ರೀತಿ ಸರಿ ಎಂದು ಅನ್ನಿಸುತ್ತಿದೆಯೇ ನಿಮಗೆ? ಅವನನ್ನು ಪ್ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ಮಾತನಾಡಿಸಿರಿ, ಆಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕೆಲಸಕ್ಕೆ ಆತ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಎಂದರು. ಮಾಸ್ತರ್ ಹೇಳಿದ ಮಾತಿನಿಂದ ವ್ಯಾಪಾರಿಗೆ ತಪ್ಪಿನ ಅರಿವಾಯಿತು. ಆತ ಯುವಕನಿಗೆ, ತಮ್ಮ, ದಯಮಾಡಿ ಕ್ಷಮಿಸು. ಟೆಂಪೋದ ಚಕ್ರ ಎತ್ತಲು ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡುವೆಯಾ ಎಂದು ಕೇಳಿಕೊಂಡ. ಅಷ್ಟರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಸ್ತರರು ಈ ಮಾತನ್ನು ಮೊದಲೇ ಹೇಳಬಹುದಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಬಾಪ ಗೆಳೆಯ, ಇವರಿಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಎನ್ನುತ್ತಾ ಯುವಕನನ್ನು ಕರೆದು ತಾವು ಮುಂದೆ ಬಂದರು. ಯುವಕನು ಮಾಸ್ತರರು ಸೇರಿಕೊಂಡು ವ್ಯಾಪಾರಿಯ ಟೆಂಪೋದ ಚಕ್ರವನ್ನು ಮೇಲಕ್ಕೆತ್ತಿದರು. ಮಾಸ್ತರರ ಮಾತಿನಲ್ಲಿದ್ದ ಆತ್ಮೀಯತೆ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಮನಸ್ಸನ್ನು ಗೆದ್ದಿತು. ವ್ಯಾಪಾರಿಯು ಟೆಂಪೋವನ್ನು ರಸ್ತೆಯ ಬದಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸಿ ಕೆಳಗಿಳಿದು ಬಂದು ಯುವಕನ ಕೈಕುಲುಕಿದನು. ಮಾಸ್ತರರಿಗೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಹೇಳಿದನು. Now let's see what this story is about. Okay, Medu means soft or gentle. Medu Matu means gently spoken or softly spoken. Okay, once a vendor or a merchant, Vyapari we will call as a vendor or a merchant, was going to fair with items filled in his tempo. Sante means fair. Okay, Samanu means we can tell as items or a luggage. Once a vendor was going to fair with items filled in his tempo. Due to the rain, the road was spoiled. Male means rain. Raste means road. While he was on his way to the fair, in between the tempo's wheel got stuck in the mud. Okay, stuck in the mud or a slush. ಮಾರ್ಗ ಮಧ್ಯದ ಕೆಸರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಟೆಂಪೋದ ಒಂದು ಚಕ್ರವು ಹೂತು ಹೋಯಿತು. ಮಾರ್ಗ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವೇ, ಕೆಸರು ಮೀನ್ಸ್ slush. Okay, chakra means wheel. The vendor came out of the tempo and he started looking that anybody may come and help him. Far away, adult boy was going. Yuvaka means adult boy. Vendor shouted, "Come here." He shouted very rudely. He shouted, "Come here." The boy was surprised that who is calling me in this way, and he turned back and he saw that a vendor was calling him. A man was calling him. The vendor told with arrogance in that dominating manner, "Why are you seeing like that? The wheel got stuck. Can't you see it? Come and lift the wheel." I will start the vehicle. He said that one, and the vendor got into the tempo. After that, the way the vendor spoke to the boy didn't like the way he spoke to him. So he told that the boy angrily said that you only lift it. Why should I lift it? And he walked away. In the same way, Ramappa master listened the both of the conversations, and he told to the vendor, you should talk to anyone with respect. The way you spoke to that adult boy, the adult boy or a boy, that Yuvaka, is correct. Do you think it is the correct? Talk to him gently. Talk to him with a love. Then he will surely help you, the master said. The vendor realized his mistake. Okay, the vendor realized his mistake. Then he called the adult boy. He called that boy and, please forgive me. Tamma means brother. Brother, please forgive me. Please can you help me to lift the tempo's wheel? Then the master told, you could have told this to him before only, no? Okay, now come on friend, let's help him. He told to the boy, come on friend, let's help him. By saying this, the master also came forward to help the vendor. By saying this, Bappa Gedeya, ivarige ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡೋಣ. By saying this, come on friend, let's help him. By saying this, even the master also came forward to help the vendor. Both the master and the boy lifted the tempo's wheel. Okay, the fond feeling in the master's words won all of their hearts. That means the meaning of that is, ಮಾಸ್ತರರ ಮಾತಿನಲ್ಲಿದ್ದ ಆತ್ಮೀಯತೆ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಮನಸ್ಸನ್ನು ಗೆದ್ದಿತು. The fond feeling in the master's words won all of their hearts. The vendor parked his vehicle and he came out of the tempo and he wished the adult. He gave a handshake to the boy, okay, to that adult boy, to that Yuvaka, and then he thanked to the master. This is all about the story. I hope you understood the story. Now let's see the meanings. Okay, Medu means soft, gentle, not loud or harsh. Sante means fair, gathering of buyers and sellers at a particular place where you can buy and sell the things. Balu means lot, too much or a more. Raste means road. Marga means way. Madhya, between. Kesaru means slush. When the water is mixed with the mud, we will call it as a muddy slush. Okay, when the water is mixed with the mud, we will call it as a muddy slush. Dura, for. Yuvaka, adult boy. Chalu, the act of starting or a start. Dhati, expression of attitude. Sittu, anger. Alisu, listen. Master, teacher. Chakra, wheel. Darpa, swank or egotism, or attitude also we can tell. Swank, egotism. Gaurava, respect. Preeti, love. Kai kuluku means handshake. Gedeya, friend. Arivu, realize. Tappu, mistake. Sahaya, help. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to see more videos on Kali Kannada Class 3, please subscribe to my channel.